Don't own stuff. Welcome to Be a Baby Billionaire. In a world inundated with consumerism and materialism, the notion of not owning stuff stands as a radical departure from the status quo. This philosophy, often associated with minimalist living, challenges conventional beliefs about the link between possessions and happiness. Instead of accumulating material wealth, proponents of not owning stuff advocate for a lifestyle centered around experiences, relationships, and personal growth. By consciously refraining from excessive consumption and letting go of attachment to material possessions, individuals embrace a path of simplicity, mindfulness, and environmental responsibility. In this exploration, we delve into the multifaceted benefits and insights that arise from not owning stuff, examining how this alternative approach to living fosters financial freedom, environmental sustainability, emotional well-being, and a deeper sense of meaning and fulfillment in life. Through a lens of mindful consumption and intentional living, we uncover the transformative power of letting go and embracing what truly matters. Stuff out. 1. Minimalist lifestyle. Embracing minimalism means consciously choosing to own fewer material possessions, focusing instead on simplicity, functionality, and quality. This lifestyle shift involves decluttering one's living space, wardrobe, and possessions, keeping only what is essential or brings in joy. By minimizing physical belongings, individuals create a sense of space, clarity, and intentionality in their lives, allowing them to focus on what truly matters and align their actions with their values. Stuff out. 2. Financial freedom. Choosing not to own excessive material possessions can lead to significant financial benefits, including increased savings, reduced debt, and greater financial security. By adopting a frugal mindset and prioritizing needs over wants, individuals can allocate resources towards savings, investments, or retirement funds, laying the foundation for long-term financial independence and stability. This financial freedom enables individuals to pursue their passions, explore new opportunities, and live life on their own terms, free from the constraints of consumerism and materialism. Stuff out. 3. Environmental impact. Opting out of owning stuff has positive implications for the environment. By reducing resource consumption, waste generation, and carbon emissions associated with the production, transportation, and disposal of goods. This eco-conscious approach aligns with principles of sustainability and environmental stewardship, contributing to efforts to mitigate climate change, preserve natural habitats, and conserve finite resources for future generations. Stuff out. 4. Freedom of mobility. Not being tied down by material possessions grants individuals the freedom to live more mobile, flexible lifestyles. Instead of being anchored to a specific location by homeownership or possession of large, cumbersome items, individuals can embrace a nomadic lifestyle, travel frequently, or pursue opportunities that require relocation without the burden of managing or transporting belongings. This freedom of mobility enables individuals to explore new places, cultures, and experiences with ease, fostering a sense of adventure and spontaneity in their lives. Stuff out. 5. Reduced stress. Simplifying one's life by owning less stuff can lead to reduced stress and anxiety associated with clutter, disorganization, and materialistic pressures. By creating tidy, minimalist living spaces, individuals cultivate a sense of calm, orderliness, and tranquility in their environment, promoting mental clarity and emotional well-being. This intentional approach to living fosters a sense of inner peace and contentment, as individuals prioritize what truly brings them joy and fulfillment over the pursuit of material possessions. Stuff out. 6. Focus on experiences. Choosing experiences over material possessions allows individuals to prioritize meaningful interactions, personal growth, and memorable adventures. By investing time and resources in travel, hobbies, and shared experiences with loved ones, individuals create lasting memories and deepen their connections with others, enriching their lives in meaningful ways. This experiential approach to living emphasizes the value of moments and relationships over material wealth, leading to greater fulfillment and satisfaction in life. Stuff out 7. Flexibility in lifestyle choices. Opting out of owning stuff provide individuals with the flexibility to adapt their lifestyles to changing circumstances, preferences, and priorities. Instead of being locked into long-term commitments or obligations associated with ownership, individuals can rent, borrow, or subscribe to services as needed, adjusting their consumption patterns to suit their current needs or desires. This flexibility empowers individuals to explore different living arrangements, pursue unconventional career paths, or experiment with alternative lifestyles without the constraints of material possessions. Stuff out 8. Emotional detachment. Letting go of attachment to material possessions fosters emotional resilience and detachment from consumerism and materialism. By reframing the relationship with belongings as tools for utility rather than sources of identity or validation, individuals develop a healthier perspective on consumption and material wealth. This emotional detachment allows individuals to find fulfillment and meaning in non-material sources, such as relationships, personal growth, and spiritual practices, leading to greater happiness and inner peace. Stuff out 9. Reduced environmental footprint. Opting out or reducing ownership of stuff contributes to minimizing one's environmental footprint by reducing resource consumption, waste generation, and carbon emissions associated with the production, transportation, and disposal of goods. The more we consume, the more we will pollute, and it is our doing. We are solely to blame for doing our part in contributing to pollution. So it's time to rethink our choices while consuming and parting with our hard-earned money. This eco-conscious lifestyle choice aligns with principles of sustainability and environmental stewardship, supporting efforts to protect natural ecosystems, conserve biodiversity, and mitigate climate change. By adopting sustainable consumption habits and promoting responsible resource use, individuals can contribute to building a more resilient and environmentally sustainable future for generations to come. Stuff out 10. Community engagement. Embracing a lifestyle of sharing, borrowing, or renting instead of owning fosters a sense of community, collaboration, and resourcefulness. By participating in sharing economies, cooperatives, or neighborhood exchanges, individuals build social connections and strengthen community bonds through acts of reciprocity and mutual support. This community-oriented approach to living promotes a culture of sharing, generosity, and collective well-being, enriching the fabric of local communities and fostering a sense of belonging and solidarity among residents. Stuff out 11. Mindful consumption. Opting out of owning stuff encourages individuals to adopt more mindful consumption habits, where they carefully consider the necessity, value, and impact of each purchase. By prioritizing quality over quantity, durability over disposability, and necessity over desire, individuals make more intentional and sustainable choices about what they bring into their lives. This mindful approach to consumption fosters a deeper appreciation for the things that truly matter and promotes responsible stewardship of resources for the benefit of present and future generations. Stuff out 12. Space optimization. Living with fewer material possessions allows individuals to optimize their living spaces for functionality, aesthetics, and productivity. By decluttering and organizing their environments, individuals create clean, open, and inviting spaces that support their physical, mental, and emotional well-being. This space optimization promotes efficient use of space, enhances creativity and focus, and fosters a sense of calm and serenity in the home. Stuff out 13. Freedom from materialism. Rejecting the pursuit of material possessions as a source of happiness or fulfillment liberates individuals from the pressures of consumerism and materialism. By shifting focus away from the accumulation of belongings and towards inner fulfillment and personal growth, individuals reclaim control over their lives and define success on their own terms. This freedom from materialism allows individuals to live authentically, pursue their passions, and cultivate deeper connections with themselves and others, leading to a more meaningful and fulfilling existence. Stuff out 14. Reduced maintenance burden. Not owning stuff means less time, energy, and resources spent on maintaining, repairing, and replacing material possessions. By simplifying their lives and reducing the number of belongings they own, individuals free themselves from the burden of constant upkeep and maintenance, allowing them to focus on activities and pursuits that bring them joy, fulfillment, and personal growth. This reduced maintenance burden promotes a more relaxed, balanced, and harmonious lifestyle, where individuals can devote their time and energy to what truly matters most to them. Stuff out 15. Cultivation of resourcefulness. Embracing a lifestyle of not owning stuff encourages individuals to cultivate resourcefulness, creativity, and adaptability in their daily lives. By learning to make the most of limited resources, finding innovative solutions to meet their needs, and embracing the principles of frugality and self-sufficiency, individuals develop valuable skills and qualities that serve them well in all aspects of life. Stuff out 16. Avoidance of overconsumption. Choosing not to own stuff helps individuals avoid the pitfalls of overconsumption and excessive materialism. By consciously resisting the urge to accumulate possessions for status or validation, individuals prioritize mindful consumption, environmental stewardship, and financial responsibility. This intentional approach to living promotes a healthier, more balanced relationship with material goods and fosters a sense of contentment and gratitude for what one already has. Stuff out 17. Financial flexibility. Opting out of owning excessive material possessions provides individuals with greater flexibility in budgeting, financial planning, and lifestyle choices. By reducing expenses associated with purchasing, maintaining, and storing belongings, individuals free up resources that can be allocated towards savings, investments, or experiences that enhance their quality of life. Stuff out 18. Philanthropic opportunities. Not owning stuff allows individuals to allocate resources towards charitable causes, social impact initiatives, or community development projects that align with their values and priorities. By supporting organizations or causes that promote social justice, environmental conservation, or economic empowerment, individuals make a positive impact on the world and contribute to building a more equitable and sustainable future for all. Stuff out 19. Personal growth. Letting go of attachment to material possessions fosters personal growth, self-awareness, and spiritual development. By transcending the pursuit of material wealth and finding fulfillment in inner peace, contentment, and connection with oneself and others, individuals cultivate a deeper sense of purpose and meaning in life. This journey of personal growth leads to greater self-awareness, authenticity, and fulfillment, as individuals discover what truly brings them joy, fulfillment, and meaning. Stuff out 20. Contribution to social equity. Embracing a lifestyle of not owning stuff contributes to social equity by reducing disparities in access to resources, opportunities, and quality of life. By advocating for equitable distribution of wealth, resources, and opportunities, individuals support initiatives that promote social justice, economic empowerment, and environmental sustainability. Time for the soft question. Stuff can drain our finances and our energy. What steps would you take to prevent buying and accumulating stuff moving forward, thereby saving yourself future headaches and the money drain? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. This may help our viewers learn, grow, and hopefully benefit from it. Thank you for sharing. Subscribe with us and learn. If you find the information in this video valuable, please subscribe to watch more videos like this and also share it with family and friends. Your support will help us create many more high-quality videos like this. Please hit the like button and the notification bell to be notified. There's more waiting to be learned in our next video. Please click on these 2 videos shown here to explore even more. The contents of this video are for educational and informational purposes only. Thank you for watching.